everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your character move up, down, left and right. You can make it move by using the arrows key. Up arrow key, down arrow key, left arrow key and right arrow key. So we would go to the events here and we would choose this code block. When up arrow key press, when down arrow key press, when left arrow key press, and when right arrow key press. So our character can move up, down, left and right. Okay, now we'll go to the motion blocks. Motion blocks is for your sprite to move. Okay, so we would go to the change X by 10 and change Y by 10. We will take 2 of them each. Now, we'll choose the change X by 10. One of them is 10 and one of them is negative 10. We'll do the same to change Y by negative 10. So, when you press this code block, you can see the cat goes right. So we'll put this when the right key press. And when you press this code block, you can see that this cat will go up. So you put this when up key press. And this code block, you press it, you can see the character go down. So you will put this to the down arrow. And when you press this, you can see the cat went left. So you put this block at the left key press. Now, try moving your sprite. You can go up, down, left, and right. Okay? Now, if you want it to move faster, like you see, this will move, you have to press so many times. So you press one time, it moves so little. So we can change the number it moves by 50. See? We can change them all by 50 and negative 50. Okay, now try moving your cat. You can see that the cat went much more faster than before. That's because we changed the X and Y position block. You can do many of these to many more sprites. Now this is how you move the cat up, down, left and right. You can also make it glide. Okay, so we go to here and press the glide block. Now where do you want it to glide? Okay, now we press up arrow and it didn't glide because we never changed the blocks. So maybe you want it to glide up arrow. Maybe you put it on the left arrow. Now you can see it glide to the right. So we will put this on the right arrow. We will right click on this block and press duplicate. Now we'll change the X to 10 and Y to negative 10 and put this on the left arrow. See? Now you can see both of them glide. You can also make it go to random position. Now you press up, then your sprite will go any position. You can also make the cat bounce if it's on the edge. Like, okay, you can see here, you make the cat go right and you put if on edge bounce. Now we put a loop and you see it bounce. Thank you. This is how you're gonna make your character to move up, down, left and right. I will show you how to make the previous code. This is the code to how to make your character go up, down, left, and right. Now your sprite can go anywhere you want.